Right, folks, it's been a great day. Done some snorkeling. Had my barbecue, which was basically some vegetables. Had a bit of rice and lots of fruit. Yeah, this is Lonely Beach, and we've been on the boat, and we're still there, so we're just waiting for the sun to go down. It's been a much clearer day than the other tours that I've been on to try and see the sun go down. And it's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? It's about the best I'm going to get right now. And the weather's really held out. It's just been very sunny for a monsoon season. So let's have a little 360. Paradise, absolute. It's starting to cool down a little bit, but it'll always be hotter than England. That's the tour guide operating our boat here. It's quite a funny chap. That is stunning. You'll see as much as I can get. That is stunning.